Hello students, myself Divyansh. So today we will discuss a new and fresh chapter number 12, Science, class 6th, Fun with Magnets. In this chapter we discuss about the magnet and its properties. First of all we discuss about the magnetic material. A magnet is a piece of material that is able to attract certain substances such as iron, cobalt and nickel towards itself. This property is known as the magnetism. Okay, now there is a two type of substance according to magnet. One is magnetic substance and another is non-magnetic substance. In magnetic substance that are attracted towards the magnet called magnetic substance, okay, like iron, cobalt, nickel, and substance that do not attract towards the magnet called non-magnetic substance like wood, paper and glass. Now next we discuss about the artificial magnets. Artificial magnets is lodestone or magnetite is a naturally occurring magnet or a natural magnet. This is also artificial magnet that are made from the magnetic materials. So basically what is artificial magnet? That are made up of magnetic material. This is in shape like bar magnet and U-shaped magnet, circular magnet, cylindrical magnet is also you can see in diagram 12.2 very well. This is a all are magnetic artificial magnets. Now we discuss about the poles of magnet. So every magnet have a two pole. One is north pole and second is south pole. The poles, what is poles? The poles are the regions of magnet where its magnetic power is strongest. Okay, the poles is a region where the magnetic power of any magnet is strongest. Now we discuss about the attraction and repulsion by a magnet. Attraction, if we have a two magnet and we know very well every magnet have a two pole, north pole, south pole, south pole, north pole. Now we place any magnet south pole with another magnet nearly in south pole. These magnets are repelled to each other. Okay, now so we can say that like pole repel each other. You see in figure 12.5. okay, diagram number second. Okay, like pole repel each other but unlike pole attract each other, like in first diagram north south. Okay, then south north poles are attract each other. This is called the attraction and repulsion property of any magnet. So what we can learn? So like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Second we discuss about the earth behaves like a huge magnet. The earth behaves like a huge bar magnet, we know very well. Okay, the magnetic south pole of a earth is situated near the geographical north pole and the magnetic north pole of the earth near the geographical south pole. We know very well this. And why earth behaves like a huge bar magnet? This is just because of the earth magnetism is caused by the movement of hot liquid iron present in deep in its core. जो हमारी अर्थ है बेटा, अर्थ के सेंटर में बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में जो मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल होता है वो मिलता है, जैसे आयरन, निकल वगैरह ये मिलते हैं. इसी की वजह से जो हमारा अर्थ है वो ह्यूज बार मैग्नेट की तरह, एक ह्यूज मैग्नेट की तरह वर्क करता है. नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द मैग्नेटिक कंपास. व्हाट इज मैग्नेटिक कंपास? मैग्नेटिक कंपास इज ए स्मॉल इंस्ट्रूमेंट having a freely rotating magnetized needle provided at its center that indicates the direction of the earth magnetic poles. This is called the magnetic compass. You see very well in figure number 12.8. Now last we discuss about the care of magnets. We should care the magnets if we have. Now a magnet might lose a magnetism if it's fall from height. Okay, demagnetize. What is demagnetize? When the magnet lose their properties of attraction, this is called demagnetized. And hitting a magnet also can demagnetize. Okay, so we should prevent the magnet. So what we have do? We do some keepers Keeper, what is keeper? Keeper are used to store magnet. Keeper are a pieces of iron that are placed across the poles of a magnet to help preserve its magnetism. So you see very well in figure number 12.10 keepers. So students, this is all about the magnets and its properties. So I just hope you should be understand all of these. Thank you for watching this video.